Hi guys, thanks for watching Craftbox. Today I'd like to show you how to make these cool ninja stars. All you need is just 2 pieces of folding paper. So let's get started. Just put one of the pieces of paper to the side and we will start with this one. Make sure to fold this side over to this side. So now we're going to fold this side on the bottom over to the top of the paper. Make sure to press down on your creases. Very nice. Okay, we turn the paper and then we fold this side across to the other side. Okay, like this. Then open it again. And then we want to make a difference between this piece of paper and the next one we're going to fold. One time you want to fold to the left and the other you want to fold to the right side. So we will start with folding this one to the left. So you take the bottom part of the paper and you fold it across the middle line to the left. And press down. We take the top and we fold it to the other side. Okay, then we turn it around, turn it over, and then we want to take this point and fold it across this. Okay, we want to take this point and then fold it across so it's easier to put it together in the end when we put the ninja star together. Press down again, so turn the paper around and do the same on this side. We want to fold this point up along this line here and press down firmly, and then we want to take this part, fold it up again and press down again. Okay, so then you have this. We will put this to the side and we're going to fold the other piece of paper in the opposite direction. You take this line and fold it across to this. Then we take this side and fold it across to the other side. We turn the paper by a quarter and then we fold this side again across to the other side. So far so good. I don't think this is too hard for anyone to do. But if you have any trouble, just let me know and I can possibly help you out. Okay, so then on the previous one, we folded the bottom part to the left. So now we're going to fold it to the right, across the middle line. So you turn it and you fold it across the middle line. Then you take the top and you fold this the other way. Like this. So we turn the paper over and then we use the bottom point and we fold it upward to make a triangle. And then I fold this up and I fold it across this line to make it easier to assemble the ninja star in the end. Okay, you turn it around. It doesn't need to be perfect. Mine's not perfect. It's not a problem. It will turn out great. You use the bottom point and we fold it up again. Very nice. And we fold this one across to make it easier to assemble, like this. Okay, now you have 2 different parts. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. You will help me out a lot. Thanks. And give a thumbs up below my video. Now we're going to assemble our ninja stars. You want to turn around one of the pieces. I'm taking the light blue and I'm turning that over. And then you want to put it on the other as a cross, like a cross. Or a plus sign or a cross, just depends on how you hold it. Then we want to tuck in all of these different points. So we want to take the bottom one and we want to stick it under this one. So you need to make a small opening if you don't already have one, and then just fold it upward. It looks like this. Turn your paper around to make it a little bit easier, and then we're going to tuck in this point below here. So you can open it even if you like, then stick it under there. And you'll have this. If it doesn't really fit, like mine, you can slide it and move it around a little to make sure that it does fit nicely. Then we turn it over, and on the other side we want to do almost the same. We want to put this under this triangle here. It can be a little bit tricky to get it in, but you should be able to do it. Like this, then turn it over, and then we want to do the last one, which is always the hardest one. So you want to open this up a little bit, maybe tuck in this point, and then wiggle it. So, like this. Okay, so now we have this. What I like to do is I like to make these little cuts on all of the sides to make it look a bit cooler. Or more cool, I should say. Sorry, English is not my native language. You must have noticed. Okay, very nice. Then we do all of the corners. Like this. And there, you've done it. You've made your own ninja star. Very cool. Now, let's see if we can throw it very far. Wow. If you really like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks.